Once there lived a lion in a forest of Africa. He was sleeping under a tree in the forest. A little mouse was playing nearby him. Suddenly, it ran across the nose of the lion. He felt disturbed and at once caught the mouse with his paw. "You little creature, I will kill you," roared the lion. The mouse begged his pardon and requested him to let her go. "Someday I will help you, sir," begged the mouse. "You little creature, how would you help me?" The lion laughed. And finally, the lion let her go. A few days later, the lion was caught into a net of the hunters. He roared and tried his best to get out of the net, but failed. The little mouse heard him and rushed into the spot. She made a big hole in the net with her sharp teeth. Thus, the lion got freed and went away with the mouse on its back.